One of the most liberating realizations you can have as a designer is understanding that hiring managers are not expecting perfection during your whiteboard challenge. Really, they're not judging how beautiful your screens look, how neat your typography is, or whether your icons are perfectly aligned. What they're evaluating is how you think. They want to see your clarity, your process, and your reasoning, not a perfect final answer. Let's go over what they're not expecting and what really matters instead. First, no one expects a pixel perfect UI. This isn't a dribble handoff or a Figma showcase. You don't need perfect spacing, refined typography, or high fidelity mockups. What interviewers care about is your ability to explain your ideas clearly, not how pretty your sketches look. So don't get stuck trying to make your board aesthetically perfect. Use that time to sharpen your thinking. Second, you're not expected to design complete systems. You don't have to think through every single edge case, error state, or secondary flow. Whiteboard challenges are about showing breadth of reasoning, not exhaustive detail. Interviewers want to see how you prioritize, which parts of the flow you choose to focus on, and how you justify that choice. Third, forget about visual libraries. You don't need icon systems, component kits, or animations. Those belong in a design system presentation, not a live problem solving exercise. Instead, focus on using simple shapes and clear labels to make your ideas understandable. Your goal is communication, not decoration. And finally, there's no such thing as a perfect solution. Interviewers don't expect you to land on a flawless final answer. What they're really watching is your approach, how you explore, how you decide, and how you explain trade offs under constraints. A whiteboard challenge is a window into your thinking, not a test of your drawing speed. So, what does matter? These four things: clear thinking and logical structure, the ability to organize chaos into clarity, focusing on what's most important, choosing impact over completeness, articulate communication of trade offs, showing how you balance user, business, and technical factors, user empathy and business awareness, connecting design decisions to real world context. Remember, clarity beats polish every single time. Many strong designers fail whiteboard challenges because they overinvest in visual refinement at the expense of strategic thinking. Your sketches can be rough, that's fine, but your reasoning, that has to be razor sharp. So when you walk into your next challenge, don't aim to look perfect. Aim to think clearly, communicate calmly, and design with intent. That's it in this video.